Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix .NET Framework 3.5 error in Windows 10. Copy URL from description and paste it into browser search bar. Click here to start download. Click primary download. Drag the downloaded files to C drive. Type CMDD in Windows Explorer. Right-click, Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. Copy the command from description and paste it into command window. Press Enter key. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.